Jocelyn!
Woohoo! Oh my god! Okay, Derek is just thinking about going in here.
It's a cold water plunge.
Yeah, I'm getting ready.
Okay, maybe I need a countdown or something.
Did you grab a towel?
No, I'm not worried about it.
Yeah.
Okay, here I go. Oh my Jocelyn!
Woohoo!
One!
Oh! Oh my god! Woo!
It's actually not that cold.
It's pretty cold.
Okay, Jen, if my bathing suit was up my ass, you are not allowed to post that. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, just hang on a few minutes, you'll be fine.
Okay, yeah.
Even 30 seconds.
Oh, and this water's salty.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, it is very salty.
the shock value.
Yeah.
Good morning. We just left Henry Bay. Got a little bit choppy in the night. The wind started blowing and yeah, Derek and I woke up at about 2 a.m. and it's a little bit rocky. This morning we are heading over to a spit and to see if we can get some clams and some oysters. I'm really excited. Derek and I had done this a few years ago and we really enjoyed digging for clams and cooking the oysters on the barbecue. Manny, like this?
Oh no, those are perfect. Yeah. Here.
Derek, look.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Keep going, Jen. Get us supper.
Well, how's this look?
Oh, that's awesome.
Guys.
Is that good? See your barnacle mouth. I love the Jocelyn stance,
Right?
while making grilled cheese
The grilled
sandwiches.
cheese stand.
After a few minutes bobbling around like this, Derek was quick to get our stabilizers down, and what a huge difference it makes. Probably in another hour we'll be in Nanaimo. Nanaimo.
Yes, we did.
Wow, I can't believe how sunny and nice it is out there.
Pretty warm for sure.
Must be in the 30s, hey?
I think it was around 28, but I'm not complaining.
We made it to Nanaimo Harbor. Took us about 8 hours to get here from Henry Bay. And it's warm out. It's actually hot. Us northern BC folk aren't used to this heat. Whew. Even Ranger's not used to this heat. Hey, Range? Are you a hot dog? Ranger's in the big city. Hey, big city dog. His tail. You happy, Range? Wow. Skookum is in there somewhere. Anchored in all those boats. The little marina at Newcastle Island. We've never stayed at it. We just usually anchor out in the harbor here. But I think tomorrow we're gonna go for a little walk. Ranger really remembers the raccoons on this island. Hey Ranger, you wanna see a raccoon? Hi, babies.
They remember us from last year, babe.
It's a beautiful morning and we're gonna be heading to Newcastle Island here at Nanaimo. We're gonna pile into the dinghy. Ranger's got his spot forward, the front there. Take a little cruise over.
Oh, beached.
Captain Derek.
Cooking some oysters.
Wow. You breaded them first?
Kind of, yeah.
Looks delicious, Derek.
Just a little bit.
I'm gonna go in close.
Make it up as I go along.
I'm gonna go in close.
There's two separate ones.
Look at that oyster that we dug up. We're just heading over to the Dinghy Dock pub here. We're gonna go have some drinks and go for dinner. Time to say goodbye to Manny and Jocelyn. They're going to Gabriola Island and they'll be on a new adventure all summer traveling. We're sure gonna miss them on the boat. We've decided to take the dinghy to a public dock here. We're gonna go get some groceries, maybe take a little walk around Nanaimo, check out some stores. It's pretty windy in the harbor today. We've decided that we're gonna stay another night and probably leave Nanaimo tomorrow morning. We decided to walk around Nanaimo Harbor We went into a few stores, we got some groceries, and now we're gonna be going back on the dinghy. You can see it's pretty windy by looking at the flags. Hey Ranger, what torture is that for Ranger and Derek to be sitting right in front of a store that has hot dogs? Harbor dogs. Sunny morning here in Nanaimo. We're just on Newcastle Island taking Ranger for a walk. We're going to be leaving Nanaimo here soon this morning, and we're going to go through the Dodd Narrows. We're just going to time it so we can go at slack, and then we're heading towards Salt Spring Island. It's supposed to be super windy out there today. What was it, 30 knot? 30 knot winds, so yeah, so beautiful here. It's so hard to leave, but we're on to our new adventure. We're just at the sandstone quarry at Newcastle Island. Just letting go of the buoy, and we're gonna head off now. Derek's making the mad dash in. Ready to go?
Yeah.
We're just getting ready to go through the Dodd's Narrows. We were gonna wait a bit. The current is running with us at about 3.5 knots right now. We were kind of contemplating until we seen a sailboat go through, and then we're like, okay, if the sailboat can do it, Skookum can do it. Hey babe?
Yeah.
We got this. I did see some little rapids up there by that rock though. How fast are we going right now?
8.5.
You can see those little rapids here, just brewing.
9.
We're going 9 knots. Skookum usually only goes 6.
9.5.
We're almost out. Well, we are in Chemainus. Just gonna walk around and get some groceries. Check it out here. Maybe Derek will let me go shopping in some stores, but you know what? It's a holiday today. Again, this has happened to me.
You can buy anything you want in this store.
Oh, everything's closed. Now we're just gonna go out exploring.
tied up?
We found a little spot here
Yeah.
to tie Skooky to. Ranger's got to go to the bathroom. Okay, Range, hang on. Good afternoon. Derek and I are still anchored here in Genoa Bay. We decided to take the dinghy over to Cowichan Bay. It was a lot of fun. Like, I can't believe it's all these little shops and restaurants and gift shops. There's even a bakery. So we each picked up a cinnamon bun and some cheese bread. It was delicious. We couldn't wait to get back to the boat. We just sat on a random bench seat and just gobbled it down. Even Ranger got some of my cinnamon bun. And yeah, we just hung out there for a few hours. We took a little dinghy ride through the marina, checked out some of the boats, and we're having a great time here. Cowichan Bay is very neat to walk through and see all the stuff. I really enjoyed it. Here are a few things we picked up in Cowichan Bay. Some homemade jelly, some raisin bread, some pottery, some Fat Tug beer, and my Clamato. Just love the sound of the seagulls squawking in the background. What's the matter? I'm not opening that back door for you. You can go up there and look out. What you see out there? Hey, do you see something? A beautiful ocean.